This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, guys. And I think this is gray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to unbox. I don't know. No. Mag-unbox tayo guys ng... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's gonna be unboxing my new phone. Yes. I just got this in the mail today. And I'm very excited. This is iPhone 11 Pro Max, guys. So, let's see what's inside. I need to cut the tape. I'm so excited. I got this from Bell because I upgraded my phone. I am using iPhone 8 and now it's time for me to upgrade because, you know, I don't have much like memory or something storage, so, and I don't want to delete my videos and pictures and stuff. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, guys, and I think this is gray. I choose a gray one. Here you go. I'm so excited. Paulit-ulit, ha? Yeah. And a SIM card. But I'm just gonna keep my old SIM card, my number. This is from Bell. My service is Bell company. Yeah, and this is, I guess, my new contract. Papilis. So this is the 2 years contract plan, guys. By the way, this is a zero payment, but I deposited some money, so I'm not gonna pay that much every month. Yeah. Tapos ang aking monthly bills, like, they had a really good discount from Bell because, you know, I'm kind of like loyalty customer, so they gave me a good discount, so bumaba yung aking bill after I upgraded this one. Yeah, ito ay aking new contract from Bell. Ayan, Bell network talaga ako, guys, ever since I used Bell network. Let's open the box. Gray color and it's 256 gigabyte. So marami akong storage sa selfie. Chareng. Yeah. This one. Ito, guys. This one, guys. Dahan-dahan, baka mabasag o hindi, dedo na. Mas maano siya, guys. Agoy. Kati ng mata ko. Agoy. Intermission. Malapad siya, guys. Ito. And when I ordered this one, guys, the call center agent asked me, like, if I want a green color or they only have 2 colors left, a gray or the green one, so I choose the gray one. Yeah. Tapos may ano siya, guys. May cover pa, oh. Yeah. And oh, Mayroon siyang dalang headphone. Yeah, it's a headphone. And a charger. Ito. At saka, yeah, adapter niya. There's nothing wrong with my iPhone 8, guys, but I just want a little bit, you know, something for myself, because when I'm doing my video, I only use my phone and I don't have any like camera for vlogging. Yeah. I'm so excited to use this one, guys. And may sticker pa siya. Ito, sticker niya, guys. Apple. And I also have cover. This is from Apple too. Binili ko lang ito sa friend ko kasi hindi dumating yung kanyang phone. Ninakaw daw, kaya yung binili niyang yung glass, parang protector niya, kaya bininta niya lang sa akin. Oh, ito, guys. I think this like she bought this like $49 Canadian from Apple. Yeah. So, hindi ko pa ito nabuksan. Ito, guys, oh. Yan. Para kung malaglag, hindi agad mabasag. Oh. Ayan. Tapos may cloth siya na parang paglagay hindi masyado yung mga, alam mo, yung mga fibers na dumidikit. Ayan. Tapos I got case too, guys. She's from Apple too. Yeah. I don't know how much is this though. Red one. It's like $79 or I'm not too sure. But it's a leather. Ito siya, guys. Yan. Kasi minsan hindi maiiwasan na malaglag ang phone, kaya mabuti yung may case para, you know, hindi magasgasan. Maganda siya, guys. Oh, ha. Yeah. It's a little bit pricey, but you know, it's worth it. So I can't wait to use it, activate it tonight. So I guess that's it, guys. Just wanna show you my new phone. Let's try to turn it on. I think it needs to be charged first. So, mamaya ako na i-charge. Yan. Oh, yan. I turn it on, guys. Yan. I will set it up later. And the camera here. Hello. It says hello. Yeah, it works. Parang maninibago ang kamay ko nito, guys, kasi yung iPhone 8, alam mo, maliit. Ito ay, yan, malapad, kaya maninibago ito sa malaking. Bonjour. Yan. Tinanong ko kasi yung agent sa Bell, sabi ko, how much if I could buy it, like, I wanna buy it cash, and then It's like $1,770 Canadian, but they don't let me buy the whole thing. So I just deposited money and like paying it every month. So I paid like half price. Tapos every month na yung installment na yung the rest remaining balance for 2 years. But I'm allowed to upgrade again after 6 months. So hindi na ako makaantay ng iPhone 12. I think that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye now.